Welcome to TechU by Bharani channel. Today I am going to demonstrate how to host your website on Google Drive. I will show step by step guide on in the drive. I have already created the website folder janamitra.missiontest.com. In that I have a HTML files, I have a JavaScript files, and I have a CSS files. So by using Google Drive we can upload websites HTML, JavaScript and CSS. Go to Google Drive. In the right side we have an option for clicking to drive. Click the drive option. Once you click the drive option, it will open the initial folder. Here we can upload the folder, our website created content folder. Already I created the website folder here. You go to new and click folder upload. The folder upload, it will show the path where you need to copy the files. You can select the my website and wherever you keep the folders, select it and click upload. So it will upload all your files. So once it's uploaded into Google Drive, right click and click the share button. So this folder should be give access to public access. So in that get link option is there, click the change option. Here there is option for selecting to anyone with the link. Select that option and click done. So once it's done only it is access to all. So after complete this, go to drive to DRV to TW website. You need to log in with your Gmail login. I am giving my Gmail login. I need to give allow permission for all. Okay, once it's enter into that site, it is admin panel for the DRV TW panel, and it will get all the web pages in my drive web folder. So you can see all the website things. I am just selecting one link here. So this is the link, public access link hosted in Google Drive. This is my link. So what I need to do is copy this link, go to the domain name hosted service. I hosted in GoDaddy. In the GoDaddy there is a provision for doing the forwarding option. Forwarding means whenever the access comes to the website, it will forward to the corresponding Google Doc. So you can add that one by clicking add button. In that I am just pasting the link in the bottom side. Forward to, there is a in Google Drives all are in HTTPS links, so it is very secured one. And what is the website name, you can copy in the subdomain name and click save. So this way, in the next time who are the visitors hitting to Janamitra that website name, it will automatically redirect to the Google Drive link. So this way we can host our website in Google. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.